Right, guys. So previously we mainly talked about navigation and how to pass data by using a context and pass that. So for example, Jump Rope Pro Plus, we can select a specific context and we got a navigation link. Or over here, right? So even if you click here, you still got a navigation. Okay. So VO2 Max, and click here, you can got like a daily VO2 Max list, and it looks great, right? So you can go back and you can change the context. So if you change your calories and daily calorie, okay, pretty cool. And of course, I also add a sheet. So if you click this add button, you got a sheet coming out. It's just a sheet wrapped and got a form, but there is actually nothing inside. So what I'm going to do in this video is to actually add some specific data. So you got like another pop-up view that I can actually add data. It's just it's more like a just a UI thing. We are not going to actually add data. By the way, I also made a lot of tutorials about how to actually get your app backend database working using core data, Swift data, an online database like a file based something like that. So if you're interested, you're more than welcome to just to click the playlist and find that. I believe it's called like a SwiftUI Mini Project, something like that. So yeah, just check it out. And then Swift Data Project. Yeah, so we got this add data view, right? And we got everything wrapped inside the navigation stack, and inside we got a form. Yeah, it can be pretty, it can be pretty nested pretty quickly. So what I'm gonna do is to first let's add a navigation title, and that title will be the context and dot title. So whatever context, so basically just whatever selection that you selected will be the title, right? And then I'm going to add a toolbar, so you can add more things, and it's not removing. Let me just add a customized toolbar with customized button inside. So we can say toolbar item, and we can place it at the right side. So we can say placement. Yeah, that's a pretty long. We don't need that. So placement here, and dots. We can add the top bar, trading, and leading. Okay, let me just first leading, just to feel more natural. Okay, so leading, which means top left corner here, and you can say normally you would just exit something like that. So what I'm gonna do is to say here. And I'm going to just add a button, and then the button will say yeah, forget about it, okay. So you don't want to actually add data, so you need to execute a action, and I'm going to just dismiss this. The whole is showing data view, right? Change that to false. The pop-up sheet here will be switched off, and the whole view will be on. Okay, just essentially dismiss thing, and we got another toolbar item. All right, so toolbar item. This time I'm going to add a placement at the top bar, leading trading. Okay, so yeah, we already got leading, so the trading is like the right corner, and normally we will add the action button here. Basically, is the button that will actively add things. So I'm going to add a button, and we're gonna say add or confirm. How to spell confirm? Yeah, confirm. Forget about confirm. Yeah. So basically, you can confirm adding the data, right? And this time you're going to add the data, right? So let's just quickly run this, okay? Just quickly see the result. Okay, we pass the weight as a context. Click, it should be weight. all the weight is just dummy data in the list as a placeholder. Click shit coming out, wait, right? Forget about it. It's gone. Click. If I confirm, it will just execute. Yeah, confirm. If you don't want to just add the add a comment here, you can just print things out. It's just for debug purpose. And confirm. A data has been confirmed. A new data has been confirmed. Something like that. So when you click it, will just print it out. It's just for quick debug purpose, but it's fairly helpful, and you don't want to comment it out and read the comment and just to take the comment word for it. You can just actually add things and confirm, and the new data has been confirmed. Okay, so you actually add a weight to the end of the list, something like that. So if you say you connect this to your smart scale, and say one day you just forgot about weight on your scale, so you will not automatically synchronize the data to your phone, and you want to add it manually, you can click it and you can add it. Right, so yeah, pretty much good practice about a sheet, about toolbar items, just get yourself familiar with the API. Yeah, and this video, let me look at it, is obviously too long. Okay, so I tend to make my video bite size, just a small, and focus on 1 or 2 points per video. Okay, so, and of course all the code you can download that on my Patreon. Okay, so feel free to join. Bye.